Day 16 of building my application, and today started with something my co-founder has been really vocal about: user privacy. It's boring stuff, but hey, necessary. Next, I shifted gears to something super interesting: understanding how Noida fits into our app's ecosystem. And I was walking through user behavior, demographics, and honestly, I found that people in Noida often face one big issue: that they are surrounded by people but still feel alone when it comes to finding help that feels human. And that's where our app really shines, connecting you with real people nearby who actually care. And then one story today hit me hard. A user posted looking for someone, not for themselves but a help for her friend who recently lost someone and just needed a person to talk to. No agenda, no ask, just presence. And that reminded why we are building this.
Hey guys, so currently I'm trying to find a way to integrate ads into my application so that I can also make a small revenue from my app, and it can also make me a little more comfortable building it so that users can also find a way to earn credits in the application. So as you know, one way of earning credits into the application was always that you can basically volunteer on somebody's post and earn credits through it. But like for example, you volunteer at a post, and then if that post is resolved by you, then you can earn credits. But there is one more way there should be. For example, if someone needs urgent credits to create a post, then there should be an option also to watch a video and earn credits from them. So that is why I'm trying to look for a way to integrate in my Flutter application. So let me guys see a way and try to do it. So guys, I have done my ad mock setup. One small thing, that is app review requires. For that I need to upload a .txt file on my website domain. That will be done. Otherwise every kind of setup is currently done. You can also see that my payments thing is set up, and I just need to integrate that thing into my application now. I think I have done most of the part. Just I need to write some widget code for displaying the ads. Like for example, when you guys click on watch ads to earn credits, then you can see a video ad that will come. That's what I am assuming how it should happen. But if you have other thoughts regarding it, do tell me in the comments. And after that, today's day I will wrap up guys, and will meet you tomorrow. Bye bye.